Ankita, come back with another topic that is from our child health nursing. Today I will teach you about accident and its prevention. So, first I will tell you about what is accident. Accident is an event that will cause physical or mental harm to any person or child that is caused by mainly outer force, that is called as a accident. Next I will tell you about what are the types of accident and its prevention. So, there are several types of accident. First one is fall, second is choking and suffocation, third is strangulation, fourth is poisoning, fifth is burn and scale, sixth is drowning, seventh is glass related injury, or eighth is ingestion. So, these are the mainly important types of accident. Next I will tell you about what are the causes of accidents and its prevention. So, first is fall. So, what are the causes? Mainly unsteady gait of toddler, unsupervision by the mother, and there is a wet surface and any object placed in the surface. These are the causes. Next I will tell prevention. So, we should try to keep our floor dry and never place any object in the surface, and whenever baby is in the sleeping, then we should raise the side rail of the cots and always be in the supervision, never leave the baby alone. So, these are the preventive measures. Next is choking and suffocation. So, first what are the causes for the choking and suffocation? There are several causes like any plastic material, small toys, and maybe mouth is covered by the pillow at the baby is sleeping in a prone position. These are the mainly important causes. What are the prevention? Mainly mother should be always in the supervision of the baby, never leave the baby alone, and always try to keep all the articles and small particles, plastic material from out of reach of the baby, and baby is on the supine position. Next I will tell you about burn and scale. Burn is mainly caused by the hot material, chemical, hot water, hot object like iron, lighter, matchbox. So, these are the causes. And how we will prevent by the burn? First, all the hot object like chemicals, cooking materials, gas material, matchbox, lighter, we should keep all the articles from out of reach the baby and warn the baby never play with the fire. Next one is poisoning. Poisoning is mainly caused by the food poisoning, chemicals, insecticide, pesticides. These are the mainly causes for the poisoning. So, what are the prevention? We have to try to label or mark all the materials like insecticide, pesticide, and that container should be on the out of reach of the baby. Next is strangulation. Strangulation is mainly caused by the long plastic material, long strings in the clothes. So, how we will prevent? We always try to keep the clothes in a short strings and never use any plastic material, long materials that will cause strangulation. Next one is ingestion. Ingestion like any material like any plastic material, small particles, things or sikka, rupiah. These are the things that will choke or baby will inject and that will cause suffocation for the baby. So, we should try to supervise our baby and never leave small particles near the baby. Next one is glass related injury. Glass related injuries like any breakable materials that will cause break in the skin. Baby have a smooth skin that will damage faster than the older person. So, we should try to keep all the breakable material away from the children, always supervise the children and keep safe and good environment for the baby. Next one is drowning. The mainly reason for the drowning at the time of bathing, there is a unsupervision of mother. So, we should try to supervise our baby and never keep alone the baby at the time of bath and always keep away all the material that is filled with the water and cover all the material that is filled with water. Then we will prevent our baby from any accidents. So, this is all about our today's class. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you.